Hello everyone, how are you and how is your day going? I hope it's a fine day for all of you. Today we're going to make a revision on the Arabic reading class and we'll go through the Arabic reading course together from A to Ya. Let's start. Let's start. Okay. Uh, I want you to follow my laser. So you're gonna be able to see my laser right now and follow it. Some of the letters will be difficult to pronunciate for some of the nations, but after all some practice, it's gonna be okay. So we're going to be doing the letter with the up sound, all of them. I know in some other videos they are this, for example, is called alif, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do the first sound of the letters, which is a. Okay, the name of the letters we don't need it, so we're gonna skip that. So ba, ba, ta, ta, tha. This is the first tongue letter. Tha, ja, ha, kha, da, dha, ra, za, sa, sha, so, do, and that is the first part of the Arabic alphabet. Now, the second part of the Arabic alphabet. Ta, dha, a, again, a, gha, gha, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, and a is the same as the first one, and ya, and this is also ya. This is the first part, which is the Arabic alphabet. All right. Now the second lesson, which is the Arabic alphabet combined together. So let's start. A and la. Okay, and together now. La, a. La, a. Again, la, a. And again, la, a. And again, la, a. There are 5 shapes for the same letter. It could be more than that. All right, and this one right here is 2 letters, green and black. So ba, a, and this one right here, ba, la, ba. This is ka, we took it before, and this is ka also, so they're both the same shape for the single letter. It's called ka cobra, by the way. Now this one, ka ba, ka ba, ka a, ka a, ba ka ta, ta ka tha, and then ba, ta, tha, na, and ya. Okay. Now remember one more thing, that ya can come with this shape, 2 dots down. Okay, so this is ya, the black one. This is also ya, the last letters. Now ba'a, na'a, ta'a, ya'a, tha'a, basa, yasa, nasa, tasa, thasa, thaja, taha, naha, and this is again ya again. So ya ha, baja, ya ma, ba ma, na ma, ta ma. And this part is tha ma, ba ya. See that small shape is ba, okay? Because we care about the dots, not about the shape of the letter. So ba ya, and this one, ya. And this one is na ya, ta ya, tha ya, and then na ba la, ta na la, ba ya la, ya ta la, tha fa la, na, ba, na. All right, let's start from here. Ba, na, and ta, ya, na. Then ya, ta, na. Tha, na. And then ja, then ha, kha. All right? Now, ha, tha, because it doesn't have any dot, so that's why it's ha. Kha, ba, kha, this one is the same as this one, right? So kha, ba, ja, ta, ha, ta, ya, ja, ba, kha, ta, and this one is ta, is equal to this one. We call it ta marbuta, means the tied ta. This is a ha, this is ba, ta, same as this one. This is ya, ha, same as this one. And ta, ha, this is a weird shape for ha, but don't worry, it doesn't come a lot, right? And here, there is na, ta, ha, ya, ha, ba, and ba, ha, a. So the letter ha has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, 6 shapes sometimes. Next one is da, the. So jada, khada, ra, za, jara, khaza. And this is ra. I know it's weird. Za, ya ra, ta za, sa. And sha, sa la, sha la, sa, da, ta, dha, sa ba, ta ba, da a, dha a, a, gha, like the first one. And this is aza, gha, ra. Sa'a, da, gha. Be careful of the letter a and gha because they come with many shapes. Ba, a, da, ta, gha, tha, and a, because the when it comes on top of another letter, it removes the other letter and stays. So it will stay no matter how the letter be lowered. Next one is fa, and then qa, wa, qa, wa, fa, wa, fa, qa, la, qa, fa, la, ya, fa, ma, ha, ma, la, ma, ta, ma, ta. Now, so far, this is the first lesson and the second letter and the second lesson, which is the letters when they are combined together. Right? Now, the vowels of the letters. Now, the vowels of the letters are easy. You have three, or we have three in Arabic. Just need to understand them. That's all. So, this is a with the vowel up. You see that sign in here? It means a. We already took all of the letters with the sound a. So, this is the initial start. And if it's like that, then it's e. The opposite of a is e. And then with this shape, it's u. So, a, e, u. And then ha, he, hu. Then a, I, u. Ha, he, hu. Gha, ghi, gu. And so on. So those are the three main vowels. Up, down, u. And their names is fatha, dhamma, fatha, kasra, dhamma. Up is fatha, below or down is kasra, and u sound is dhamma. This is the name for them. Anyway, this is double vowels. Double vowels means a different thing. In the Arabic letters, there is this letter, we call it noon. Noon or na, as we took it together, it's a major sound in Arabic, means it's repeated a lot. So instead of writing noon in every single word, we decided to put two vowels, and it will say mean na. So here, for example, man, wait, man, min, mun, ben, bin, bun, and so on. One, win, wun. Now, there is a question here. Why there are two letters here, but only one of them has vowels on it? What does that mean? All right, and here too, and here too. And in order to understand this, there is a rule we need to know about it first. So this rule, it says the mad rule, or like that. Let's start to explain it together. You see here, it's a different page. Ba and a. But the ba has a fatha or up sound on top of it, followed by an a. So a followed by an a. So it will be sound like that. Ba or ra. We don't do that because if there is a fatha or up sound followed by a sound, that a sound is completely deleted. Means we don't need to say it because you already said it when you pronunciate the ba with up sound. Also the same with u sound. You see here there is u sound followed by a wa sound, right? Or wa letter. So this one is going to be deleted. So it's going to be boo. But why is it written? It is written for writing purposes, not for reading purposes. And the funny thing that the only one who complains about that is the English speakers. Say, why do you write it if you don't pronunciate it? Like, come on, man. Half of the English words are written but not pronunciated, such as meaning no and stuff like that, and many words in English like that. So also the same with B. Here there is vowel E and followed by E. So it's going to be B without this letter completely. Okay, and that's why that rule was like that, right? Or you see it like that here in this part. Man, mean, mun, and ben, bin, bun. You always see the extra letter, but it's not being pronunciated. Okay, now let's move here. For example, an, in, un, an, in, un. It's all the letters like that. Now let's start pronunciating some examples. Now let's start. أبدا أحد أخذا أذنا أمرا أنا. That you see right here is called sukun, means silence, means not up or down or u. And that's the fourth vowel. There's a fifth one, we'll talk about it later on. Now بخيل بررة جعل جمعا حسدا حشرا خشيا خلقا خلقا. You see the same letter but different vowels, so different words. خلقا خلقا. ذكرا رفعا رقبة سرور سفرة صحفا. Yeah, the sa is on top of the ha. It's a little bit weird, but you'll get used to that. وسطا طبقين طبقان. If you did exactly what we have said in this video, you'll be able to read this. Okay? So far, if you did every step we did so far, you'll be able to do that. If you feel like you're not able to do that, repeat it again, you will be able to do it. Just make sure you memorize the letters very well. Now, there are two main rules in the Arabic reading, and this is the whole course. So this is a small a, right? We call it the small a because it's ba'a. But don't worry, you're not going to read it anyway because it's ba with up sound followed by a letter. So just for writing purposes as well. And this is e and he and wa with u. So these are the small letters. We only find them in the Quran. We already did this rule. Okay, the next rule is the sukun. The sukun can come with two shapes. Or the silent yani. All right? And yani, it means the word yani. It means yani in English. It means in English. All right, so this is the vowel sukun or the silent. It can come like this, as the shape that you see, or it can come at a small O like that. Okay? It means nothing. It means you have to pronunciate the letter with the letter before it. For example, you don't say here, for example, ta, and then think of wa. No, you say tau, tai, thou, together in one sound, as if they are one letter. They, دو, they, thou, they, row, ray, row, ray, thou, and so on. This is the sukun. Very simple and very easy. Now let's some more example. آمن آوى آنية إيلاف. This is the small, yeah, we talked about it. So إيلاف أين به جاء جيء. This sign is called mad sign. Mad sign means you have to stretch the letter a little bit. جوع خوف خير sorry خير داود ذلك رضو. That alif is silent. شاء مالكي شيء طغى. Okay, these examples are a little bit harder than the one before it, but again, if you did one every step like we did today, you'll be able to do this. Okay, so again, sukun examples: ab, ib, up, at, it, ut, and so on. Sukun examples. Now, there is only one rule left to complete the Arabic reading course, which is called shadda. Shadda means double. It looks like a W. We'll see it right now. 1 second. Yeah, here is it. It looks like a W. And now that means it's a double letter. It means there is a, ba, ba. But instead of writing two ba, we decided to put the shadda or that W and make it like that. So abba, you just stress it. That's all. You need to stress that letters. Abi, abu, iba, ibi, as if you're pronunciating two letters, not one. Now that's it. That's the Arabic reading course completely. There's nothing more. And then exercise. As much as you can do exercise, as much as that will be very good for you. But I don't recommend to do more exercise in this book. Otherwise, I will give you or I recommend you another book that will have, because these words, you're not going to understand the meanings. They're part or words from the Quran. Now, you need something much easier. All right, this is the hardest level of reading the Arabic because it's words from the Quran. Now I'm gonna introduce to you this book, which contain small words, easy, and also vocabularies that you can learn from it and practice your Arabic reading skills on it. And here is it. You see, حمار, حليب, حصان, بحر, لوحة, لحم. Very easy words so that you can practice. And at the same time, you are gaining vocabulary for your as a preparation for your A1 Arabic course. Okay, and then exercise so that we can solve them and so on. Again, I really encourage you to do this course on this YouTube video, but take it step by step. Do not do it in one day or one sitting. Try to divide it into many days. And I guess that's all. Okay. And looking forward to see you in my class or in the next video. Take care of yourself and bye bye. Ma salama.